The C-5300 is a full synthetic coolant, general purpose flood sawing ferrous metals and alloys. The coolant is made with resistant bacteria and mold inhibitors. The sawing fluid is created with certain detergents to extend the blade life. The mixing ratio is a 10-to-1 with water, so you can get a longer batch of coolant. Our coolant is designed to be biodegradable. It is safe for the environment, it washes down with water, and it doesn't leave any chemicals or any residue behind. This coolant is very good for heavy production. It gives you more cuts, longer lasting blades, and chip eviction. You can use this coolant with any type of metals, non-ferrous, ferrous metals, hard alloys, exotic metals. You can get the coolant in 1 gallon, 5 gallons, and 55-gallon drums. Once you decide what coolant is best for you, give us a call at Sawblade.com so we can put in an order for you for your C-5300 Full Synthetic Sawing Fluid. Thanks for watching. I'm Ernesto Aguilera. I'm with Sawblade.com. Remember, no middleman, no markup, no problem, go direct.